Tyler 16-bit here with another video, and this one, unlike my last one, this one actually is an unboxing, this time of the Hyperkin Xenon Xbox controller. Now, this controller obviously is based on the Xbox 360 wired controller, so it's not wireless, but it does come with a USB-C cable to plug it in to the Xbox, and or Series X and S, and also the various Xbox One consoles. I believe that is correct. Yeah. Designed for Xbox Series, Xbox One, and Windows 10 and 11. And that was the side of the box that explained what it's for and shows the side of the controller. And this over here has some more information, like precision impulse triggers, share button, vibration feedback, 3.5mm headset jack, and the detachable Type-C cable that I just mentioned. So, yeah, let's get right into it. Now, I've actually watched other unboxings of the same controller, so I already pulled this tab out, so that way it'll make it a lot easier to get into the box. And as we can see here, let's game. And 2005, full circle, 2023, back in control. Yeah, this controller actually came out during the summer of last year at this point, but I just now finally got around to getting one. And I did also, do also have the Hyperkin Duke controller, the Cortana edition for the 20th anniversary of Halo. And as we see here, got some more information from Hyperkin. Got a Hyperkin logo sticker. And got a quick start guide, which, I mean, it's a controller. And each stick has a foam ring around them for the just to be safe in shipping. And let's see if we can. Yeah, it's able to be brought out easily. Whoops! I don't know why I just dropped it back in there. But in any event, you can hear the buttons clicking. There it is. Now, this is obviously the red one. There are there's the original white one, a black one, red one, and a pink one, as well as a couple other like metallic colors. So definitely check those out if it's something that you're interested in. But yes, it's Hyperkin on the top. There's where the cable connects. Got the bumpers, triggers, and of course the thumbsticks, D-pad. Got the modern Xbox buttons there in the middle, right by the Xbox button itself. And got the face buttons here, just like the original 360 controller. And then there's the headset jack right there. So, yeah, that's, and you see right there, Hyperkin Xenon wired controller. So, yeah, really, that is about it. Thanks for watching, and you all take care.